Hey everyone, so this is test number 14, and today we have this lovely box that I bought. It has a uninterrupted power supply in it, and basically I bought this because it is inexpensive, but it is the APS-C brand, which I trust.
As you can clearly see here at this really old power surge protector and obviously the APC unit that is currently on my computer.
And also because I needed a new power supply backup for my network array storage. The last one died and it started beeping saying the battery was dead. Anyway, it lasted a long time, but now it's time for a replacement, and this is what I bought. So I'm going to get this connected up and then get my network array storage so I can transfer the terabytes of data I've been storing on SSDs in my computer onto actual spinning hard disks, which are designed to carry that kind of data.
Okay, so I managed to get this off because that was tight. And we're just going to open it up. It comes with a power cable, a sheet, and the actual unit. In fact, it's all just one box. Awesome. So there's your power cable. It is at a flat adapter, but it's off to the side, so you can plug two of them in your point, and it's there so they can fit behind furniture pretty easily. And then if we get this open, which this tape is driving me nuts. There we go. Okay. And we get the actual unit here. Now, overall, this has 6 ports. These ones here are going to be battery backup. These are only surge protectors. There's an on-off mute button here. And then here underneath, we have this thing which we have to pull out and plug in like so. So the battery is actually connected and running in the device. And sorry, that's slightly out of focus. And then we can remove this lovely orange tape like that. And we can plug this device in. Obviously plug this in here. And we're good to go. In fact, I have a plug right here that I can use. It's going to beep. It's going to blink. It's making a little click sound. And it's ready to go. And the focusing just went crazy. Is it going to come back? Yay, it came back. So there we go. So we're ready to go. And my focusing system is approved. But yeah, the APS unit's really good. We can plug in the network array storage here. I have 3 extra ports I can use for something, and I can put some surge protections as well. So again, very basic, but very usable. One last thing I wanted to point out is that there's a fuse right here, and there's also a light here if there's a building wire fault. Now, I've actually had this come on in one place I've been living where they didn't properly ground the wires on a 3-prong plug. So that's there to tell you that your 3-prong plug that you didn't plug in, that grounding plug isn't actually grounded. So that's what it's for. And yeah, if that comes up, you might need to check out your electrical or hire an electrician to figure out why you're not properly grounded.
And that's the APS-C unit in total. Now, this is available online. I'll have a link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit a like. Again, I'm mainly doing this video to test my lighting setup here. So if you do have any comments about that, also leave those in the comment description. And I'm going to go and get my Synology network array storage back up and running so that I can actually copy over quite a bit of files so I can keep making videos for you guys. Because, yeah. All my drives are red. Don't tell my brother. And it's hopefully live as it's booting up. Well, hopefully the Synology will be back up and running and no problems. It's a bit better with lighting, although it's all dark. So